Hmm. Hello everybody. Today I will try something different, and this is an abstract painting. I make a very interesting background. I use, I think, maybe 8 colors, 8 different colors. I'm sorry for this music, but was not a music from me. Hello everybody. Today I will show you a very interesting landscape. I have a very original background I used here. For this background, maybe 8 colors, 8 different colors, and looks like a landscape. This is an abstract painting, but I think I say this before, I don't know, because I am very concentrate here. I must look about white. I will take the white one. I need white, I think, for the water. Yes, everything it is orange here. Sky is orange. Water is orange. This is a technique for water. This is a water, and I think here I will make a boat. Yes, why not? I think it is interesting when I make a boat. Oh, the moon. Now I make a boat. I told you before I want to make a boat here. Why not? I love boat. Do you like boat? I think everybody loves boat. Again, I need some black for this boat. Some black. It is a very old boat. It is a vintage boat. Oh yeah. How are you today? It is a very rainy day. It is effective, a perfect time for painting, perfect time for drawing. yes, yes. Este foarte frumos, mami. Cu multă dragoste. Yes. And here I need again some black. Okay. I would like to make some flowers here. Good. And now I make the moon. I must wash the pencil. And my favorite is moon, of course. Now I can move again here. And I would like to use the red color. I work only with acrylic. This is a half moon, yes. This is a red half moon. It's almost finished. The red moon, it's finished, yes. And look different, isn't it? It is a very, very, very interesting landscape, abstract, of course, but looks so different. I told you before, I told you again. I hope you will enjoy this process. And now I make a tree. I love tree. If you are my subscriber on this amazing YouTube, I believe that you see and you know I'm a very, I love tree so much because I have tree in almost in a very, very, very many paintings. I have trees because I love tree. Trees are a very important part from our ecosystem. Trees are very important trees and look so wonderful. What do you think about my tree? Oh, I love this tree. It is so funny to create so many brushes. Okay. Now I make something different. I use my fingers and I make some flowers on this tree. You can see. I never knows what I paint. Almost I never knows. When I make an abstract, I paint what I have in my mind in this moment. I have no idea 20 minutes before or 1 minute before. I have no idea. I just make. What do you think? I hope you like. And I think it is a very good idea when I make some birds. Maybe it's interesting and maybe you like to see some birds there. Wonderful day, dears. Thank you for watching.